Here's a GRE algebra question. Let's take a look. For each of the functions below, a set of 50 numbers is creating by evaluating f of x for each integer value of x from 1 to 50. Which function creates the set with the largest standard deviation? Okay, the hardest part of this problem, I think, is understanding what the heck it's asking. But here's basically what it's saying. It's saying, let's take each and every function here. So each function. And what we're going to do for each of these functions is plug in the numbers from 1 to 50, the integers from 1 to 50 for x. And by doing that, we're going to get a set of 50 numbers. So for instance, here we plug in 1 for x. What does f of x equal? Well, f of x equals 1. We plug in 2, we get 2. And 3 and 4 all the way up to 50, right? So the set of numbers created by plugging in here is 1 to 50. But here it would be 100,001, 100,002, 100,050, right? All the way there. So we don't actually have to write that out for each and every one of these, because what it's asking about is the size of the standard deviation of each set. Now, if you're not familiar with the concept of standard deviation, you should probably review that a little bit, but here it is in a nutshell. Standard deviation describes basically how spread out a set of numbers is. So if we look at sets A, B, C, and E, they're all relatively similar in how spread out they are, right? In fact, A and B have the exact same standard deviation because this is just a shift of 100,000 for each one of them. The one that really stands out, though, is this. What's the first number in this set? Well, it's 1 squared, so 1. The second number is 4, and the third number is 9. And then we get all the way to when we plug in 50. The last number in this set is 50 squared, or what's that, 2,500. So this set is extremely spread out. I don't actually have to calculate the standard deviation to say that this one is the highest standard, or has the highest standard deviation. For more GRE tips and tricks, or to sign up for my online course, follow the link on my profile.